Good looking drop top for some summer fun. 1966 Ford Mustang convertible. According to the consignor of this vehicle, 302 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, C6 I believe it was. Electric power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, slotted and drilled rotors at all four corners. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Of course, the iconic horse in the grill. Kind of a brandy wine metallic, I guess, if you will. Pretty color. Then the flat black graphics on the hood scoop. Shows well. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Here you can get a good look at the rotors as talked about with slotted and drilled. Kind of a newer torque thrust style wheel, powder coated in a smoky gray. Good looking wheel on this car. Let's take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just having some fun driving in the summer. There are pictures of the sheet metal replacement you're going to be able to see in the still pictures on the rear quarters. So it's not filled with a bunch of Bond or fillers. Check out the still pictures. You'll see what I'm saying. They cut it out, replaced it the way it's supposed to be done. Black vinyl interior also shows well. Of course, the automatic shifter on the floor. Interior looks fairly stock with the exception of the aftermarket retro sound radio. And obviously a center console with cup holders has been added, which will come in handy. Black cloth top, power top. Power top works as it should. And as you can see, parade boot or convertible top cover, good shape. We'll also put the top up and down for you so you can see that work. At the very end of this video, we're going to take it for a drive too so you can see how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride if you will. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The GT style trumpet exhaust coming out that lower roll pan. Again, the flat black deck color continuing to the rear of the car and on the trunk lid. If you take a look at the underside pictures, you're going to see that this car has newer mufflers on it. 1-inch sway bar up front when we pop the hood. You're going to see it also has a, I guess, strut tower brace, if you will, shock tower brace. There will also be a car cover and a front end cover if you wanted to put that on if you were driving between shows or for long distances. Keep the rock chips off there and then pop her back off, put her in the trunk for the show. You'll see that in the still pictures. And again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side of this car. If you like these older Mustangs, late 60s, early 70s Mustangs, maybe just like muscle cars, cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these cars are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. We always like that. Come check out our showroom. Seating surfaces, obviously newer vinyl, free of rips, tears, holes. Same with the door panels. In the still pictures, I believe there's also an extra door panel that will go with this. And again, black power top made out of cloth. We're going to check that out in a bit. Seat belts intact. Nice setup with that center console. I did have the retro sound radio power up, and it gets reception, just not real loud as far as what comes out of the speakers, just so you're aware of that. Wipers did work. Let's fire up 302 V8. All right, fuel gauge on the move. Took that as working. Oil pressure coming up, amp meter, and that was cold start, so I would expect the temp gauge to be down there a ways. Nice sounding car, nothing crazy over the top. As far as exhaust goes, we'll take a peek underneath the hood in just a bit too. Door closes nicely. There you go, get an idea what it sounds like. A little rumble coming out of that one. Good looking, rich color. All right, let me pause this real quick, just 1 second. I want to pop this hood, check out the engine bay. I'm going to put that top up and down, and we'll finish up this walk around. There's the underside of the hood. Looks like it's painted to match the exterior, finished off nicely also. That shack tower brace I was talking about. And again, you see some 289 badging on the air cleaner as well as the front fenders here. Previous owner, consigner, stating 302 V8. Nice looking engine bay with some chrome dress up and the valve covers, and of course the air cleaner covers. You can see battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Good looking engine bay. Nice power plant. All right, let me go ahead and put this top up. So I'm going to get the camera set up so we can put this top up, check out that convertible top condition, and I'll run it back down, and like I said, we'll finish up this walk around. All right, convertible top up. As you could see, functions as it should. I have it latched above the windshield. It's a nice tight fit. Black fabric top, nice condition, looks newer obviously. Also rolled up the side glass, you can get an idea how that fits. Coming around to the rear, clear rear window. And free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all that I've noticed. Like I said, it looks like it's definitely a newer top. And if you have this car, how many times are you gonna put the top up on it? If you need to, maybe a brief shower, keep you out of the sun, it's gonna work just fine. Side glass on the passenger side. Take a look how that fits. And above the windshield again, nice tight fit. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you the function of the top going back down the way we had it. We'll wrap up this walk around video. And you can see the top functions as it should going back down. 1966 Ford Mustang. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. Unique Classic Cars.com. Take your time looking through all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, stick around just a little longer. We'll take this car for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Ford Mustang convertible. Nice burgundy color with some black accents. Black interior with an automatic right on the floor. Accelerates as you would expect. Speedometer is working. Oil pressure right in the middle of the gauge. Fuel gauge showing a quarter of a tank. The amps are charging a little over half, and the temperature is also a little over half. Nice smooth running Mustang, great exhaust note. Factory horn is working. We have a center console with cup holder, matching the seats very well. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Blower motor works on this Mustang, as do the windshield wipers. Power top, of course, working as it should. Brakes feel good. Steering is easy. This car doesn't lean much at all in the corners. The Mustang's being pretty light. Really nice looking Mustang and a good runner. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.